What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video. It's Dipan from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. #1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Today, I'm showing you how to use Minvo, an AI tool that automatically extracts the best moments from your videos to create clips for social media. Everybody wants their videos to go viral, and we've all seen the stuff that gets millions of views. Looking at you, Alex Hormozy. So let's make that easy with Minvo. It's the fastest way to create social media content about your podcast, interviews, webinars, streams, sermons, you name it. It does it all, from editing to writing descriptions to scheduling across all your accounts. Look how fast you can crank out new content. First, upload your video so AI can automatically clip the best parts. That's right, no more scrolling through hours of footage. Minvo's AI finds all the stuff that could go viral. In no time, you'll get loads of videos to choose from. Minvo might just be the coolest thing on this side of the internet. And you can get their lifetime deal right now by hitting that Buy Now button. Or you can stick around to see just how easy it is to edit everything. To get started, just open one of your auto-generated clips. Minvo lets you adjust the frame in seconds. And thanks to their magic features, you'll be able to auto-frame speakers, cut out awkward silences and filler words, add emojis, and insert B-roll. Want to add a GIF? Minvo will literally find the perfect one. And when I tell you this editor is easy to use, I mean easy. All you gotta do is click on video elements or highlight the text to overlay more media, emojis, and captions. With Minvo, you can share videos on every platform, including TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. You can even schedule them out for later. To all my agency owners, Minvo's got just what you need. You'll be able to organize clips by client and save multiple presets for every client. Now you can toggle between different styles and make new content in a few clicks. But Jay, is there more? There's more. For every video, Minvo's AI can generate articles, YouTube descriptions, LinkedIn posts, whatever you need. Want to publish a listicle? The AI writer will generate loads of ideas in seconds and write the entire article for you too. And there you have it. Everything you need to crank out viral content in one tool. Get your hands on this lifetime deal on Minvo today because it won't be around for much longer.